Prof. Fajar is Secretary General of Jamu Indonesia Council. They are also a professor in Faculty Pharmacy of Universitas Mulya Warman. So today, Prof. Fajar will talk about Jampi Usodo as Jamu from ancient wisdom to modern practices. Please welcome. You have time, 10 minutes.
Thank you very much, Prof. Dwi, as moderator, the last moderator for today. Maybe I just to the point. Maybe only like 5 or 6 slides today. And to be honest, what I would like to present is the different, not different, I mean, in some part it will be different from the definition of jamu that we have in our regulation today. But today I learn a lot from traditional Chinese medicine, from Ayurveda, from Vietnam, from Thailand. Actually, I saw the same principle, which is traditional medicine not only product modalities, but also skill sets. And that I would like to maybe to share today is Jampi Usodo is similar, I mean, with this TCM and Ayurveda, which is Jampi Usodo start from the consciousness or psychological or mind, and then goes to the energy, and then goes to the molecule. Yeah. So, as an Indonesian, I'm so proud become Indonesian. Why? Because I'm so sorry to another country, because we have Borobudur here. And then we learn a lot from Borobudur. And to be honest, I learned about the philosophy and then how to manifest, how to create the technique or theory or anything is based on this relief. Relief Karma, Maha Karma Wibangga, panel 19 on Borobudur Temple. So when I knew the Jamu is stand for Jampi Usodo, Jampi, I mean, how can Jampi can be manifest as a drink? Because Jampi is spell, just a mantra, just a word. But when I saw this picture, gratefully I can understand now. Maybe our ancestor will predict that we will, this is maybe, we will easy to get forget with this part of holistic system, which is praying. Because in this relief, from the left side or my right side, it start to heal sick person is by praying. After praying, it continue with the ladder for bathing or cleaning. And then pounding and making natural medicine. On this side, we can see someone grinding natural ingredient. And then continuing with massaging head and hand. After massage, and then apply, before massage, it's applying potion. And then closing with, or the another method is massage. So maybe we try to make a conclusion that Jampi Usodo or Jamu is same with traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda. Jamu is the holistic way to get health. From using spiritual and consciousness or setting mind to the using the material or technique or energy. So we try to make definition. So Jamu or Jampi Usodo is utilization of consciousness, energy, and matter, such as chemical molecules, to achieve and maintain health. So this is, we try to make new definition, which is, I mean, and it seems will be much advantage before if we compare with the previous definition. I do apologize in advance because I will present something that maybe not implicit relate with this theme, I mean this conference theme. But I try to relate with praying, because in the Borobudur, the first step is praying. So I'm trying to make best philosophy or background. So nowadays, in the U.S. Department of Energy, Office of Science User Facility for Nuclear Physics Research, in the Brookhaven National Laboratory, they already done research by collision light. They collide the light collision to produce the matter. But this conversion of energetic light into matter is not new theory. This is come from Einstein famous E equal mc square. But the point is, universe, I mean everything in the universe, it seems, based on this experiment, is made by light, is made by energy. And at the end, we will come to the last question. How can the energy become a matter? Because what I've done in from Sri Lanka is Wijaya Bandra. Yeah, Wijaya Bandra. I'm medicinal chemist too. In my PhD, I make chemical structure based on crystallography. So this is the crystal of my protein crystal. And then what I learned then at that time, if we want to create, or we want to show or we want to find where's the electron's position, we have to produce, or we have to arrange the energy in the same direction. That's why if we want to, menyusun apa ya? Arrange, yeah, to form the crystal's chemical structure, we have to arrange the electron position in the same direction, same vector, same phase. If we do that, the energy will give the constructive interference. The energy, when they arrange together with very accurate, it will appear and we can see in our eyes, our visible light, panjang gelombang, wavelength. So in my experiment, I can understand what Einstein or what this experiment been done. It is true, our universe is made by energy, but is controlled by one consciousness. That's why I conclude from this experiment. Because the energy will become a matter based on one consciousness. So we move to the next slide. So the background, we try to start everything in this life, even to get health, is with praying, because that data or that fact on the experiment by Einstein or Brookhaven National Laboratory, or my simple experiment in Oxford, synchrotron in Oxford, Harwell Research. Now we take this next background, fact number two, that is in modern health or with the chemical, synthetic chemical nature or drug, we only try to get the energy from the molecule, because we can calculate the binding free energy or the conformational binding energy. We can calculate the volume of space. We can estimate the enthalpy, we can estimate the entropy, we can estimate the Gibbs free energy. But in short, this is the electron microscope and crystallography protein structure. Here we can see that when the molecule drug bind with the protein receptor, it start giving the energy to make the receptor moving. Like this is insulin receptor. Insulin receptor only active when it gets 4 molecule insulin bind to the receptor. And then it start autophosphorylation. So before the insulin bind, these two tyrosine kinase is stay away. But when insulin bind to the receptor, it start to get closer. And then start the autophosphorylation and then transfer the glucose from blood to inside the cell. And now, this is the acetylcholine receptor. So when the acetylcholine bind to this receptor, the receptor start to open up to make sure the ion can get through to this channel. So when the acetylcholine stop binding, this channel will be closed. So here we can conclude, we can make conclusion that we need from the drug or we need from the molecule is only binding free energy and conformational also between psychology. I think we don't need to do, if all of us has the same experience. For me, much Chinese and Indian movie, and when it comes, the scenario is very sad. My tears will be come down. So it's so me that there is a portion, the strong relation between psychological with physiological. So if we only stay on this molecule, we will not utilize that portion. The portion between the relation between I'm sorry, I quite a long time not using my English, so it's hard to get used to again. To utilize between the energy binding and the relation between psychological and physiological. So maybe some of us, or maybe public, giving the question, is it the same, herbal or jamu with the synthetic compound drug? Of course, because in herbal or jamu, they also have primary or secondary metabolites. And this is, we can estimate and we can calculate the conformational binding energy and free binding energy also. But in jamu, Jampi Usodo, it's not only food, it's not only natural medicine, it also manual massage techniques. It's also composed by wavelength, frequencies that we can find in music, songs, light, natural stones, health equipment. Because we can calculate, we can estimate the wavelength, frequency, radiation, and energy. Sport, dancing, meditation, breathing control like prana that Prof. Nyoman mentioned before. We can calculate, we can determine it, the amount, both quantities and qualities. Aromatherapy, also primary and secondary metabolism molecules. So this is the form of jamu based on Jampi Usodo philosophy that we learn from Borobudur Temple and from the word Jampi Usodo. So that's why we are so happy that Borobudur is, and based on the fact that universe is composed only by energy that been arranged or natural law, or we can call all form of energy from materials, even drug molecule, is then perfected using psychological and divine consciousness based on the fact that we got from the experiment. This is just an example that what kind of secondary metabolites, also primary metabolites. So jamu based on the Jampi Usodo philosophy, it is not merely a system medicine, but a holistic approach that integrates physical, spiritual, and emotional well-being. Emphasize harmony with nature, balance, and the interconnection of body, mind, and spirit. It embodies principle of holistic healing, acknowledging the importance of lifestyle, environment, and emotional health in overall wellness. I think this is the same with the TCM, Ayurveda, and maybe another traditional medicine. I think this is the time for Eastern medicine. Maybe if I can call Eastern medicine to get rise, because last decades this is my opinion. I feel like everything that's good must come from Western. But now we try to integrate. So we harmonize the Eastern and Western medicine. Hopefully it will be come in very soon. Yeah. And because that will have impact in economical too. Hopefully. maybe that's the end of my presentation. I'm so sorry, and because my English is not too fluent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.